everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get free credits in DreamFace app. And yes, the same credits that you can use to make AI videos or animations without paying anything. So let's jump right into it. First, just open your DreamFace app and then just log into your account. And then next, you might notice that sometimes your account doesn't show any free credits like this. It has 0 credits like this. But here's the thing, DreamFace actually gives you 2 free credits every week to every user. It's not a lot, but it's enough to try new AI animations or short AI videos. And then if you only want to test AI filters, you can actually do that for free, no credits needed, but it's limited to 5 generates per day like this. Alright, now here's the trick that many users miss. To actually claim your free credits, you need to log into the DreamFace website, not just the app. So just open your browser. In here, I will just use Google Chrome like this. And then just search for DreamFace AI. Then just open the official website until you taken to the home page like this, and then just tap on login or sign up, and then just log in with the same account that you use in the app. In here I use the Google account, so I will just use my previous Google account. Okay, like this, when you log in, DreamFace will automatically add your 2 weekly credits to your account balance like this. And then next, just go back to your DreamFace app and refresh your account. And then if your credit still shows 0, don't panic. This happens sometimes because of cache data. So here what to do. Just go to your phone settings and then go to apps and then search for DreamFace. And then go to storage and clear data and clear all data. Like this. And after that, just go back to your DreamFace and then go to profile and then just log in using your same account. Just go to settings and then log in and then just continue with Google. Okay, like this. After that, your free credit should appear automatically like this. As you can see, it has 2 credits. And then next, you can start using them for your AI videos or animations projects. And okay, that's it. That's super easy, right? Every week, just log in once to the websites and then refresh your app and enjoy your free credits. Okay, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.